For this you need pipe cleaners, glue gun and a stick. Then you have to fold it like this by using your thumb. This is the base of leaf. You have to make at least 5 leaves like this. Then after completing all the 5 leaves, the outer base, then you have to fill it completely with pipe cleaner. I will show you how. You can use your own way to cover it completely, but just remember one thing, that you have to start from the middle so that it will be pointed. For your better look and texture, you have to use straightener to make it less furry. So you have to use this straightener to adjust the furriness. After completing all the leaves, now you have to take the stick and cover the top with pipe cleaner like I am doing. leaves. There is nothing so complicated. You just need two pipe cleaners. You have to fold one and add one just over the top like this. It's very easy, or you can use your own way to make it like this.
After doing everything, you can give it a perfect touch however you want to cut or bend the fur, pipe cleaner I mean. And then you will use sketch to do a bit of shading like I am doing.